In reference to the information, I was working and had the injury and still kept working, but I've been in sports and had injuries from which basically certain things, but in reference to the past 22 years, these people have been consistently injuring my face and teeth and spinal cord with their satellites and their activity of burning a person, and my face has been fractured. It even tells you if they touch my face at all, it's attempted murder. They've been touching my face, hitting me in the face. They had a court case, supposedly a medical court case against these people that fractured my face and teeth, but they still have been burning me every day. They never stopped or something, They never stopped hitting me in the face and teeth. They're still doing it right now. But, in reference to the Allstate, they paid $25,000 or something. It was like $25,000, and I had to put that in the bank, and then the people stole money from the account, and then I had to wait months for the Hartford Insurance Company, and they never paid, and then they forced me back here to Indiana. They kidnapped me and forced me back here. And then they've been torturing me every single day since the first day I got off the airplane. And when I was in California, they stole my car. They stole my clothes. There was people that had been going into my apartment, and they had stolen monies out of my checking account. And, these people were stealing from me all the time, and they were tied in with these people in Indiana or something. And, I was at my mother's mansion in Beverly Hills when my mother got shot, and I got shot. And there was a Jewish guy at the house, too. He got injured, or he got shot, in reference to these assailants that trespassed on the property. And my mother didn't have no business deals with none of these people. And I didn't have nothing to do with none of these people either. And then the Beverly Hills Police Department, didn't they make a video in reference to my mother getting murdered in '93 in Beverly Hills? Isn't there like some court cases or something? Haven't received anything in the postal mail. But in reference to the Allstate, they paid like $25,000, but then somebody said that they supposedly paid like $30 million or something, but they stole every fucking thing. I guess the government stole the check and rewrote the check for $25,000. So that means like somebody stole $29 million from me from the accident. And I didn't receive any of the lawsuit money or the insurance money from any of the studios in reference to the Royal Protocol. See, if somebody tries to injure me, the government's got to pay me automatically, and they're supposed to pay me real quick. Like within 24 hours, they're supposed to start paying monies anytime somebody tried to injure me, or anybody trying to harass me, or anybody trying to abuse me. Because last living relative laws, too, because I'm the only child of my mother and father. So, in reference to government tampering with my life, tampering with their activities of abusing me, it's more lawsuits every day. And the delays of them stealing money or them holding me hostage is more lawsuits. But I'm not sure what Allstate really paid, if they paid more than $25,000 on the car accident, because that's all I got. But then I deposited money in the bank, and the government stole the money. These people were stealing the money out of my account. And then, but the Hartford Insurance Company never paid. I guess it was. They never paid, or they never paid the underinsured motorist. And then they tried to murder me in Indiana, and they've been burning my upper lip. The MX-6 pictures shows the front end of the car smashed up. Maybe Dusty Sorg could explain in reference to the car accident. Somebody said they tried to do a reenactment. I'm not sure if they did or not. Like they tried to murder me in the car, the government did or something. But check to see if the fire station or see if they tried to do a reenactment. See, some of these people have tried to murder me, these government people, and then they steal the insurance money or the lawsuit monies, and they try to do a reenactment. You know what I mean? Like somebody trying to murder me then I gotten injured, and then, you know, get patched up from the injury, and then somebody runs off with the lawsuit monies or something. You have to check about. You ever heard of those reenactments that the government does when somebody gets injured? Like if you get injured, they try to put you back in the same spot. Like if they taser you and knock you out at the place where they knock you out and they injure you, they kidnap you, like body snatchers. My mother even had court cases about body snatchers too, in reference to what they tried to do to me. They kidnap you. They try to strip off all your clothes. They try to steal your sperm. They try to steal your penis. They try to steal body parts from you. And then they patch you up. And then they put you back in the same position you were at when they kidnapped you. And then they try to do a reenactment like that, like nothing happened. They try to do those things. It's fraud. The government has tried to do that. And it is attempts of murder, and it is financial fraud, and it is criminal when the government has done these things. There has to be court cases about that shit, too. But, you know, the Hartford Insurance Company never paid. Their agents was trying to murder me, these government people. They even, I guess the Hartford Insurance Company even found records of me attending Beverly Hills Elementary, Junior High, and High School or something when I was younger, you know. And, I don't know, you have to ask them or get them in court or something. But these people holding me hostage in Indianapolis, they've caused teeth damage. They've caused more damage since I spoke to you, or since I made the last video. Look, it's so dented in. My teeth are supposed to be like this thick. And it's all scooped back, like this. My front teeth are. They're like chopped back. And it's documented. They're supposed to be like 12 millimeters, or they're supposed to be like 8 or 9, probably 8 millimeters in thickness or 9 millimeters in thickness at the tip of the top teeth coming down. Like the tip should be like 9 millimeters. And up there it's probably like 13 or 14 millimeters now. Or like 12 before, but, you know, my body grows a little. And, you know, my parents was tall. My mother was over 7 feet tall. My father was over 9 feet tall back in the day, you know. And these fucking satellite controllers, they don't understand the kind of problems they're causing. It's going to look like shit for a long fucking time. And each and every day that they burn it, they burn months of damage, weeks or months of damage, years of damage. They have to get prosecuted for physical assault every single fucking time, whoever they are.